and I want to talk about the day of the sixth train. The day of the sixth train is a video I mentioned that I was gonna do back in 2016, which was last year in December, and then it's getting closer to the fact that the video that I made about the day of the sixth train is almost a year old, and I still haven't popped it out. I've done the day of the seventh, the day of the A, the day of the four, the five, but I haven't done the sixth train. The sixth train, the day of the sixth train is coming soon. There's a few more videos that I want to, you know, have for you guys while you wait. Even though there was a lot of videos I passed while the wait. But for the day of the sixth train is going to be the actual day of the sixth train, meaning because the other ones were like random days I picked just to appreciate the freaking train, even though I hate the A train and not a big fan of the four. But yeah, but the day of the sixth train will be the actual day of the sixth train, which is October 27th. Its birthday. So that's a quick update for that, and also for this video that you watched is the D train or the dingle, whatever you want to call it, has a theme song change. So hope you guys enjoy that. So.